Where did you study English? Where did you learn English? It's okay to ask both questions.
Where did you learn English before? Where did you study English before? He learned so much about England on his trip. He studied English history and culture at university. We study school subjects, university disciplines, biology, history, English. All of these can be called theory. We can study English as a school subject or university discipline. We study English at home or by attending lessons. We learn to do something. We learn an activity. We learn to dance. An activity.
We study English at home, at university, at school, as theory. We learn English as an activity. We learn to talk about our hobbies or families in English.